In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download any video from any website on Google Chrome. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure the browser is fully loaded so you can easily follow along with each part of the process. This method uses a Chrome extension, which is a small tool you can add to your browser to give it extra features. Once Chrome is open, go to the Chrome Web Store. This is the official place where Chrome extensions are available, so it's the safest and most reliable place to install them. Inside the Web Store, look for the search bar and type in Video Downloader. After that, press Enter so you can see the available results. From the list of results, click on the Video Downloader extension you want to use. Take a moment to look over the extension page before installing it. This helps you confirm that you're selecting the correct tool and gives you a chance to review what it does. When you're ready, click the button that says Add to Chrome. A confirmation window will appear asking if you want to continue. Click Add Extension to confirm the installation. Chrome will then begin adding the extension to your browser. This may only take a few seconds, so just wait until the process is complete. Once it has been added successfully, Chrome will usually show a small notification letting you know the extension is ready to use. After the extension is installed, look toward the top right area of Chrome and find the puzzle icon. This icon opens your extensions menu, where you can view all the tools currently added to your browser. Click the puzzle icon and you should see the Video Downloader extension listed there. At this point, feel free to explore the extension and become familiar with how it works. Different Video Downloader extensions may have slightly different layouts or features, so it's a good idea to click on it and look through the available options. Some tools work automatically when a video is detected on a web page, while others may require you to open the extension first. As a quick tip, always make sure you're using trusted extensions from the Chrome Web Store, and be careful about what permissions an extension requests. That's important for both privacy and security. And that's it. You've successfully installed a Video Downloader extension in Google Chrome, and now you're ready to explore how it works from the extensions menu.